Here's a rare find. 2017 JCB Midi CX Backhoe. Four-wheel drive cab with air conditioning, stereo. It's got a universal quick hitch on it. It's got auxiliary hydraulics on the front. You can, of course, put a set of forks on it. Universal set of forks. You can put a grapple. Anything you want to run the auxiliary hydraulics in the front. It's four-wheel drive, hydrostatic at a high and low range. Thing's only got 1,700 original hours on it. Another really cool feature about this, it's a small compact backhoe, but you can remove this backhoe attachment on the back, and it's got a PTO back there. You can run a mower or anything else that would run off the PTO in the back. Really neat little tractor. Nice and strong, engine sounds good. All the lights work on it. Slick little tractor. Close this door, Axel. Don't know where you'd find another one of these. I haven't seen another one advertised anywhere pre-owned. I'm sure you can buy them brand new. This is the only one that I know of that would be pre-owned with only 1,700 original hours. rare find, 2017 JCB Midi CX tractor loader backhoe, 4-wheel drive, auxiliary hydraulics, universal quick hitch, PTO, removable backhoe if you want to do that, hydrostatic, cab, air, heat, stereo. My goodness. Where else you're going to find something like this? 1,700 original hours. Nice little tractor.